Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own face mask right now with everything going on with coronavirus, and there's a shortage on masks, and where we live it's mandated for you if you go out to wear a mask. So there's 3 different ways that I'm going to show you how to make your own mask at home, and you may already have the items at home. One is with a sock, one is with a scarf, and one is with an old shirt. And also you can make these for the kids as well. And then we're also going to use hair ties. You don't even have to sew it. This is so simple that your kids can do it.
Right here?
Yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it right here along this. You're just gonna make a little slit halfway through. Then you're gonna cut off the tip of this, and then you're gonna make another little slit. Okay, so just a little slit right there, a little slit right there. So show us your finished product.
Okay, so we have this mask and this mask. So guys, you put it on like this.
So you cut on each side and then you just wrap it on. Alright, so here is the final product. You just wrap it around, pretty simple. And we have one here by Lacey. Turn to the side, other side. Pretty simple. We're gonna make out of an old shirt. You can find a shirt that's too small, or maybe a shirt that's out of season. And then also you're gonna use 2 headbands, and you can find different sizes. This is gonna be for a child, so I'd use smaller ones. If you're gonna do one for an infant, there's even smaller ones, and then they have bigger ones for adults. So what I'm gonna do is cut a block of this shirt, hoping to leave this to be part of the mouth, and we're going to just fold over any excess fabric. So we're gonna turn it over like so. And this has some padding in there, so that's good. That's extra protection. I'm gonna take the headband, and also as you can see that you don't have to sew this, so that makes it even easier. And just fold over, then you want to pull through and fold over, and you just tuck it in. Then you want to take the other side, pull over, and tuck it in. So now that we've pulled over and tucked it in, like so, very simple. You turn it over nice and pretty. There's that. And then you put it on the child. Right. So this is going to be the 3rd step, where you can take a scarf. I've already cut this scarf in half, so you can find an old winter scarf or a throat scarf and cut it in half.